Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip files on your Realme GT Neo 3. So in order to do this, you'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. So if you don't have it, go check it out. Now let's click on this app, and from here we'll need to find the file that we want to extract. And mine is located in DCIM and then camera. There's a camera.rar. So to unpack it, let's click on it. If it's not encrypted by any password, we'll get instant access. Now select each file that you want to unpack, or if you want to unpack everything instantly, click on this arrow pointing up, like without selecting any. From here you'll be able to change extraction options, and the most important one is to click on the browse. From here you'll be able to pick the folder where the files will be unpacked, and I want them in the movies, so let's select it with OK, and now it changed to movies. We'll be also able to change a few settings, and there's this three settings right here which changes independently, and we have ask before override without prompt, and skip existing files. We can enable or disable to keep broken files, do not extract paths, and display extracted files. After everything is set, let's click on OK button. That way we'll unpack these files and we'll be able to move there in order to see how they if they're unpacked. So here they are, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.